Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Garmin heart rate monitor. First, ensure your monitor has a fresh battery. Then, moisten the two electrodes on the back of the strap with water or saliva. This helps ensure good conductivity for accurate readings. Finally, wear the heart rate monitor directly on your skin, just below your chest, for optimal performance. Make sure it's snug but comfortable. Once your monitor is ready, navigate to the Sensors and Accessories menu on your Garmin device. From there, select Add New and choose Heart Rate from the list of available sensor types. Bring the heart rate monitor within a few centimeters of your Garmin device to facilitate a quick and reliable connection. Your device should detect it within a few seconds, displaying a confirmation message. If you prefer using your smartphone, open the Garmin Connect app. Go to the Devices section and select Add Device. The app will guide you through finding your heart rate monitor, which typically appears as a heart rate sensor. Confirm any pairing requests that appear on your phone. This allows your phone to receive real-time heart rate data, enhancing your training experience with detailed metrics and insights. Should you encounter any issues, first try replacing the battery in your heart rate monitor and restarting both your Garmin device or smartphone. Also, ensure there are no other ANT Plus or Bluetooth devices nearby that might cause interference. After each workout, remember to rinse the strap with plain water to prevent salt buildup, which can affect conductivity and prolong the life of your monitor. Proper care ensures consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.